Let's take a look at these new drinks from paper boat. Again, they come with really unique flavors. Haven't seen something like this from any other company. Let's take a look at this one. It's called Golgappa Pani. Again, it's a mixture of lemon, chili, tamarind, water. It's a vegetarian drink, and these are some of the ingredients: water, sugar, tamarind, lemon juice, black salt, and spices, pepper, nutmeg, coriander powder. You never see those ingredients in a drink, so you know it's quite unique. Costs around 30 rupees or around 50 cents for this. You might have seen Pani Puri in one of my videos. If you haven't, you can search my channel for that. In those, they use this liquid. I haven't seen anyone selling this as a drink, which is quite unique. There are no preservatives, no added color, so these don't last that long. The shelf life for these is only around 4 months. They are coming up with really interesting flavors, so let's taste it. This is how it looks. It really smells quite nice, tangy smell. So let's taste it. Little spicy because of the pepper, and really tangy and very unique. If you get a chance, really do try it. It's a little sweeter, not as spicy as the real Golgappa, but quite unique. Again, I think you could use this when you make Pani Puri. Very nice. This one is Jamun Khatta. Again, this is a local fruit called jambal, I think. It looks like this. Very interesting packaging. Haven't seen a purple packaging for any drinks recently. Early price, costs around 30 rupees or 50 cents. I'm hoping the drink will be this color, so let's see. Again, not one of the flavors you see anyone else trying out. It's pinkish in color, has a very odd smell, so let's taste it. It tastes a lot like jamun fruit with a little bit of tanginess and salt. Again, really interesting flavors. I'd rather they try something like this than make another carbonated drink. I would definitely buy these in future. Maybe not this, but still quite unique. Check it out.